In front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Start by opening Play Store to download free app called DevCheck device and system info from Flare to developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it. And thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Quick tip: when you go into dashboard, you should click on all of those sections here, not only to get all the information from the pop-up, but also by clicking on settings at the bottom right corner of each of them, you will be transferred to this section in your device's settings instantly, so you won't have to look for it. It also works if you click on gear icons at the top right corners. For example here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!